Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Marketing Evolution. Today's subject is a thorough PPC tutorial for beginners. We will walk you through each crucial component of pay-per-click marketing in this video. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just interested in learning more about online advertising, this course will provide you a strong foundation on which to build. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, let's begin with the basics. PPC, or pay-per-click, is an online advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This model allows businesses to drive targeted traffic to their websites, generate leads, and increase sales. One of the most popular platforms for PPC advertising is Google Ads. Now, let's talk about the benefits of PPC advertising. There are several advantages that make PPC a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. First, it provides instant visibility. Unlike other marketing channels, PPC allows you to get your ads in front of potential customers immediately. As soon as you set up your campaign, your ads can start appearing on search engine results pages. Second, PPC offers precise targeting options. You can target your ads based on keywords, location, demographics, interests, and even the time of day. This level of granularity ensures that your ads are shown to the right people at the right time, maximizing your chances of converting them into customers. By reaching the right audience, you can make your advertising efforts more efficient and cost-effective. Before diving into PPC, it's crucial to set clear goals for your campaign. What do you want to achieve? Is it increased website traffic, lead generation, or direct sales? Having well-defined goals will guide your PPC strategy and help you measure the success of your campaigns. It's important to align your PPC goals with your overall business objectives. Now, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are the foundation of PPC advertising. They are the words or phrases that trigger your ads to appear when someone searches for them. Choosing the right keywords is crucial for the success of your campaign. You can use tools like the Google Keyword Planner to research and identify relevant keywords that have a good search volume and align with your business offerings. When selecting keywords, it's important to understand keyword match types. Match types determine how closely a search term must match your chosen keyword for your ad to appear. There are four main match types: broad match modifier, phrase match, and exact match. Each match type has its own level of specificity and can impact the reach and relevance of your ads. Once you have your keywords, it's important to create compelling and relevant ads. Ad relevance plays a significant role in determining the success of your campaign. Google, for example, assigns a quality score to your ads based on factors such as keyword relevance, ad copy, and landing page experience. The higher your quality score, the better your ad's position and cost per click. Let's take a closer look at the structure of a PPC ad. A typical PPC ad consists of a headline, a description, and a display URL. The headline should be attention-grabbing and include relevant keywords. The description should highlight the unique selling points of your product or service. And the display URL should accurately represent the landing page users will be directed to. To make your ads more effective and informative, you can use ad extensions. Ad extensions allow you to include additional information, such as site links, call buttons, location information, and more. These extensions enhance your ad's visibility and encourage users to take action. Utilizing ad extensions can improve your click-through rate and overall campaign performance. Now, let's shift our focus to landing page optimization. A landing page is the web page users are directed to after clicking on your ad. It's crucial to ensure that your landing page is relevant to the ad and provides a seamless user experience. A well-optimized landing page should have a clear call to action, compelling content, and an easy-to-navigate layout. Next, let's talk about budget control. One of the significant advantages of PPC advertising is that you have complete control over how much you want to spend on your campaigns. You can set daily budgets, bid amounts, and even allocate more funds to the best performing ads. This flexibility allows you to optimize your spending and achieve a higher return on investment. Monitoring and optimization are key to a successful PPC campaign. Regularly monitor your campaign's performance, analyze data, and make necessary adjustments. You can tweak your bids, ad copy, landing pages, and targeting settings to improve your campaign's effectiveness over time. Continuously testing and refining your campaigns will help you achieve better results and maximize your ROI. As we wrap up this PPC tutorial, I want to remind you that PPC is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. There's always more to learn and explore. To deepen your knowledge, I recommend checking out reputable online resources, joining industry forums, and even considering PPC certification programs. Stay curious, stay updated, and keep refining your skills. That concludes our comprehensive PPC tutorial for beginners. We've covered the basics, benefits, keywords, ad relevance, ad extensions, landing page optimization, budget control, and monitoring. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Until next time, happy advertising!